Open up your heart, baby, and let your love come shining through. This is how we start, honey. We'll go further than we've ever been. And there are rainbows before us, troubles behind us, experiences on which we can build. Open up your heart, sugar. We're heading for a new frontier. No more broken hearts, baby. You know our love's gonna heal where the pain has been. Yes, our true love will steer us. Our love God will guide us. There are so many dreams for us to fulfill. Open up your heart, darling. Get closer now.